To make pizza, first you need to gather all the ingredients and equipment you'll need. Next you'll need to prepare the dough by combining flour, water, yeast, salt, and a little bit of oil. Then you should let the dough rest for some time until it rises. While the dough is resting, prepare the pizza sauce by mixing tomato, garlic, herbs, and oil. Once the sauce is ready, you can start preparing the toppings by chopping vegetables, shredding cheese, and preparing any other ingredients you want to add. After the dough has risen, you can begin shaping the pizza crust. Stretch the dough into a round shape with your hands or a rolling pin. Then spread the sauce over the dough, leaving a small border around the edges. Finally, add the toppings over the sauce and bake the pizza in a preheated oven at a high temperature until the cheese is melted and the crust